Assalamu alaikum, hello everybody. I hope you all people are doing well. In this video, I have brought two idioms and a phrasal verb for you people. Those two idioms are number one, to lend a hand, and number second is to open to. So now, first of all, let's begin with to lend a hand. It means to help, means madad karna. Now let's use it in the sentence. A is for me, जहाँ तक मेरी बात है, I will be happy to lend a hand. मुझे मदद करने में खुशी होगी. Now let's see the second idiom, and that is to open to. It means to be ready, तैयार होना, तैयार रहना. Now let's see its sentence. He is open to conviction. ये सजा के लिए तैयार है. Conviction का मतलब होता है सजा. He is open to conviction. ये सजा के लिए तैयार है. Now let's move to the phrasal verb, and that is beg out. It means वादा खिलाफी करना. Now let's use it in the sentence. I'm sure, मुझे यकीन है, he will not beg out. ये वादा खिलाफी नहीं करेगा. For more videos, be sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon as well. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.